How to remove white backgrounds in Photoshop. Let's get into it. With your image open, press Command or Control A on your keyboard to make a selection, followed by Command or Control C to copy the selection. Next, we want to come down and create a new layer, and then we want to take our original image and just simply delete it. Next, we want to come over to the Paint Bucket tool, and then we want to make sure that we have black selected and then press down on our canvas here. Next, we need to go ahead and create a mask by coming over to the Layers panel and clicking on the Create Mask button. Next, we need to go ahead and either Alt click or Option click on the white part of the mask and press Command or Control V to paste in our image. Once that's done, we then need to come up to Image, go down to Adjustments and then choose Invert. Once that's done, we can come out of the mask by clicking on the black square here and then press Command D on the keyboard to deselect. And that's all there is to it.